Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Bharat Gaur. I'm studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering in CSE Data Science Department. Today, our subject is computer networks and our topic is domain name system (DNS). How it translates domain names to IP addresses. The domain name system is the critical infrastructure that links the human readable domain names we use to access websites with the numerical IP addresses that computers use to communicate. It is the vital bridge between the virtual and physical internet. What is the domain name system? Internet's address books. DNS acts as the phone book of the internet, translating human-friendly domain names into machine-readable IP addresses. Distributed database. DNS is a decentralized system of servers that work together to resolve domain name queries. Critical infrastructure. DNS is an essential component of the Internet, enabling the smooth operations of websites, emails, and other online services. The purpose of DNS linking domain names to IP addresses. Domain names. Human-friendly names that identify websites like www.example.com. IP addresses. Unique numerical identifiers like 192.168.1.1 that computers use to communicate on the Internet. The bridge. DNS translates the domain names you type into a browser to the corresponding IP addresses, allowing your device to connect to the right server. How DNS resolution works step by step. Step 1. User types a domain name into their web browser. Step 2. The browser contacts the user's configured DNS resolve often provided by their ISP. Step 3. The DNS resolver queries the DNS hierarchy to find the IP addresses for the requested domain. Step 1. User types a domain name into browser. Human friendly. Domain names are easy for people to remember like www.example.com. Intuitive. User can intuitively guess or search for the domain names of a website they want to visit. Accessible. Domain names make the internet more accessible and user friendly compared to raw IP addresses. Step 2. Browser contacts the DNS resolver. Client device. The user computers or mobile devices initiate the DNS lookup. DNS resolver. The DNS resolver often provides by the user's ISP receives the domain name query. Network connection. The client communicates with the DNS resolver over the internet or local network. Step 3. DNS resolver queries the DNS hierarchy. Root server. The DNS resolver first contacts a root server to find the appropriate top-level domain, TLD server. TLD server. The TLD server then provides the addresses of the domain authoritative name server. Authoritative server. The authoritative server finally returns the IP address corresponding to the requested domain name. Step 4. The DNS root server responds with the TLD server. Root servers. The 13 root servers are the starting point of all DNS queries, directing traffic to appropriate top-level domain servers. TLD servers. TLD servers are responsible for the top-level domain like .com, .org, organization, and .net, and provides the addresses of the authoritative servers. Iterative process. The DNS resolver must work its way down the hierarchy, querying each server in turn to ultimately resolve the IP addresses. Step 5. The TLD server responds with the authoritative server. Authoritative servers. These servers contain the definitive information about a specific domain and are responsible for providing the IP addresses. Domain registration. Website owners register their domain names and configure the authoritative servers that host their domain information. Caching. DNS resolver catches the responses from authoritative servers to improve lookup speed for future requests. Step 6. The authoritative server responds with the IP addresses, domain name, and IP addresses. Domain names like www.example.com, mail.example.organization, blog.example.net, and the IP addresses of these domain names are 192.0.21, 198.51.100.2, 203.0.113.3. These are the IP addresses for these domain names that we use in the server. Once the authoritative server is reached, it provides the final IP addresses that the user device can use connect to the requested website or service. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like, share, and subscribe.